Hi, this is Michelle Tibbs with Pilates Studio City. Today we're going to do a workout for Pilates and Yoga. I'm going to start all of these workouts with Pilates 100. We'll get your body nice and warm, get that blood pumping in your heart, and we'll get you ready for the rest of our exercises. So we'll start by sitting on the floor, feet on the ground, knees towards the ceiling, pulling your belly button in, and let's just roll down one vertebrae at a time. Placing your palms on the ground. I want you to slowly lift your right leg up. Bring that right leg parallel to the ceiling, your knee right over your hips. Bring that left leg up. Left leg parallel to the ceiling, knee right over your hips. This is called tabletop. You'll hear me say tabletop quite a bit today. From here, I want you to give me a big inhale. Open up your mouth, exhale everything out. Pull your belly button into your spine. Make your rib cage come together. Scoop your belly and lift your shoulder blades up off of the floor. So I'm going to start to pump my arms. I'm going to inhale for 5, exhale for 5. On all of my exhales, I want you to exhale, pull that belly button in nice and tight. So your breathing goes like this. Inhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale. And I'll start now. Inhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, 2, 3, 4. This is an advanced stage. Heels are together. Zipping up your inner thighs, working on these adductors. Keep pumping your arms. Inhaling for 5, exhaling for 5. After 10, bring your knees back to tabletop, back on the ground. Pull your knees into your chest. I'm Michelle with Pilates Studio City. Thanks for doing Pilates 100 with me.